morning. It's Crypto Whiskey with your morning watch list. It's December 20th. Good old Tuesday. Markets are bouncing around kind of choppy in the futures right now. Some really terrible housing data keeps coming out. So let's look at a couple things that we want to pay attention to today. Yesterday's watch list, we had one really nice runner, Zillow. Zillow did everything we needed it to do. Let's take a look here. Oh yeah, big nasty red candle down. Worked out perfect. The put contracts really made some good money. We're still waiting on RKT to make that move, but hang into there. It'll any day now. Next one up, we're gonna watch Netflix today. So Netflix had this rising wedge going on here on the daily chart. Broke down out of it. Back tested it there as resistance and has broke down into this channel again. So today what we're watching, it shows that it's down pre-market, and I have a feeling that's the direction we're going to go. We could get a big opposite swing today from like massive green to red or massive red to green. But where we want to watch out is Netflix below 280, and we're buying puts, looking for 249 over the next several weeks. So I would buy time on your contracts, buy them out several weeks. I would expect to see 249. If we break below 280, then we're going to keep trickling down. If we break above 292 today, I would expect us to run back up, fill the gap, and possibly test this line right here, this upward sloping line, as resistance again. So about 314 to the upside. So we break above 292, calls up to 314, break below 280, puts down to 249. That's where I am on that. Netflix has just been super big moves and gapping up and down everywhere. So pay attention to that. And then Meta was my other one today that I really want to pay attention to. Right now, Meta's the 113.50 pre-market. If we see a break below 112.73, I would suspect that we're going to run all the way down to 102. Could go lower because there is a gap at 98, but I would not doubt that we get back down close to that $100 even mark at some point over the next couple of weeks. So buy you some time. So puts below 112.73 with ultimate targets of say 100 and then 91. That's where I would be looking at it to go. Now, if we get a little swing action and we come back around, I really don't want to be in Meta to the upside on a call unless we break 122. If we can't get back above 122, then we're never going to close that gap at 128. But that's it. That's where I want to be. If we break above 122 at any point in the next couple of days, week, then I would expect it to close the gap at 128. Ultimate take profit's going to be 138.17. But I really have a strong feeling that we come back down below $100 on Meta. So let's keep that in mind. Everything's kind of lining up for that because we've got all this loss of positive momentum. The buyers are just dying out and really couldn't push it up much. So we're about to go neutral to negative on the MACD. We're trying to get the RSI back down in the bearish control zone. Nothing too exciting there. It's just probably going to bleed out some more. Same thing with Netflix. We got so many time frames that the negative momentum keeps building. We're already in the bearish control zone on the RSI. Upward sloping supply line is just it's holding as resistance right now. So I think probably going to be in puts most of the day if that big swing don't come and knock us all out. But those are the two I'm watching today. Don't forget, sign up to my Discord to get dozens and dozens more trade setups every day, all day. Lots of education. Best Discord out there. 7-day free trial, and it's only $5 a month after that. You can't beat that. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.